You've probably spent a few evenings scrolling through endless grow tent options, wondering which one will actually let you keep a steady, healthy crop without turning your hobby into a full-time job. The fear of overpaying for a fancy nameplate while ending up with a tent that's noisy, leaky, or just impossible to tweak is real, especially when you're balancing a modest budget against the desire for consistent yields. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. In the next few minutes, I'll walk through why the AC Infinity Advanced Grow System Pro 5x5 might be the sweet spot for serious home growers, and where it could feel like overkill for a casual hobbyist. First off, the biggest selling point here is the AI-driven controller. Most entry-level tents give you a simple thermostat and a couple of fan speed dials, which means you're constantly guessing whether the temperature spike you see on the meter is a temporary sunburn or a sign of a larger ventilation issue. This system pulls real-time sensor data temperature, humidity, CO levels, and cross-references it with historical patterns stored in the cloud. The result is a predictive adjustment. If the controller sees the temperature trending upward faster than usual, it will preemptively crank the AC inline fan to 80% before the heat actually reaches the critical zone. For growers who have struggled with hot spots in the middle of a 55 tent, that kind of foresight can be a game changer. I've seen similar AI setups in commercial greenhouse rigs, but they usually cost a few $100s more. Here, the hardware sits inside a sleek wall-mounted unit, and the companion Wi-Fi app lets you peek at the forecasted climate curve from your phone while you're at work. In practice, that means you can leave the room for a couple of hours, get a push notification that the humidity is about to dip below 45%, and decide on the fly whether to let the system run its automatic humidifier cycle or manually tweak it. The tent itself is built around lab-tested mylar that promises up to 95% light reflectivity. In a 55 space, that translates to roughly a 20% bump in usable photons compared to generic silver-coated tents, which is noticeable when you're trying to push a second harvest in a short window. The full-spectrum 55-bar grow light that comes with the kit is calibrated for both vegetative and flowering stages, so you don't have to swap out fixtures halfway through. The built-in EC inline fan and a 6-inch oscillating clip fan keep air moving at a level that most growers describe as quiet but effective. I've run a small lettuce and basil garden in a similar setup, and the leaf quality stayed crisp, with no sign of mold on the lower leaves, a common complaint when air circulation is inadequate. The clip fan's oscillation pattern also helps prevent the dead zone that can develop directly under a static light source, which is something I've watched happen in cheaper tents where the only airflow comes from a single intake vent. Now, who should actually consider this kit? If you're someone who's already comfortable with basic hydroponic or soil setups, and you're looking to step up the consistency of your yields, maybe you're growing a few plants for personal use, or you're experimenting with higher value varieties like auto-flowering cannabis or exotic herbs, this system gives you a lot of automation without the steep learning curve of a fully custom rig. The AI controller removes a lot of the guesswork, so you can focus more on nutrient schedules and less on constantly adjusting fan speeds. It also makes sense for growers with limited space. The 150,150,200 centimeters footprint fits in a standard closet, but the reflective interior and integrated lighting mean you're not sacrificing performance for size. On the other side of the coin, if you're a hobbyist who just wants a simple grow box for a handful of herbs and you don't mind checking a thermometer once a day, you might find the AC Infinity system a bit more than you need. The Wi-Fi app and AI predictions are great, but they also add a layer of tech maintenance. You'll need a stable router connection, occasional firmware updates, and a willingness to troubleshoot if the app misreads a sensor. For someone who prefers a plug-and-play experience with a single dial, the extra digital interface could feel like unnecessary complexity. Also, while the kit includes a full-spectrum light and 2 fans, it does not come with any nutrient delivery system or hydroponic trays, so you'll still need to invest in those if you want a complete closed-loop setup. That extra cost can push the total outlay close to the upper mid-range of the market, which is something to keep in mind if you're on a strict budget. Let's talk about the practical downsides that aren't always highlighted in the product sheet. The first is the learning curve associated with the AI controller's learning period. When you first power it up, the system gathers data for about 2,448 hours before it can start making accurate predictions. During that window, You might see the fans cycling more aggressively than you'd like, which can be